Have you ever been coding away only to hit a wall with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you've encountered the incomplete annotation exception error, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I totally get it. You write your code, and then suddenly an error pops up, leaving you confused and unsure of what went wrong. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues, especially when working with dependency injection frameworks like Dagger. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting an incomplete annotation exception when I add this code?" They provided the following snippet, a function that provides a JSON instance. If this sounds familiar, let's explore the reasons behind this error. So what does this error mean? The incomplete annotation exception typically indicates that Dagger is unable to find a required element type for the provided method. This can happen for a few reasons, such as missing annotations or incorrect setup in your Dagger module. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this error, but also learn how to fix it effectively. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To address the incomplete annotation exception, the user should first ensure that the Dagger library is correctly set up in their project. This includes checking the dependencies in the build file. Next, the user needs to verify that the method annotated with @provides is correctly defined. The return type must be a valid type that Dagger can provide. The user should also check if there are any missing dependencies in the Dagger component. This means ensuring that all required types are provided in the component interface. Finally, the user should rebuild the project to ensure that all annotations are processed correctly. This can often resolve issues related to missing elements. Fun fact, did you know that Dagger was created by Google to simplify dependency injection in Android? It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can have its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered the same issue and discovered it was due to a change in the Dagger 2 API. They found that the type parameter was removed from the provides annotation. This user had mistakenly used an incompatible version of the annotation dependency with an older Dagger 2 compiler, leading to the incomplete annotation exception. The solution was to update the Dagger 2 compiler to match the annotation version. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your annotations and module setups when you encounter errors. A small oversight can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the incomplete annotation exception with confidence. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the coding journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.